Amid the Middle East conflict and the expected surge in electricity prices, Meralco is conducting clearing operations in Antipolo, Rizal. Che Sulit is on the phone for the details. Che, go ahead.
Yes, Mai. Ahead of Holy Week, the Manila Electric Corporation or Meralco conducts clearing operations of unauthorized wire attachments in Antipolo City, Rizal. Antipolo City Mayor Casimiro Jun Inares III also presided the operations, with the Meralco VP and Head of Corporate Communications Joe Zaldariaga and Foreign Attachment Management Head Engineer Joseph David. Zaldariaga said that this is part of their anti-urban blight campaign, an initiative focused on removing dangling and dead spaghetti wires from utility poles.
The intention of Meralco is to ensure that all our facilities are safe. There is no danger that will be posed to the residents in the area and those who are here in the community.
He says that incidents of injuries and deaths have already been recorded due to the risks of heavy wiring attached on the posts. Zaldariaga says that the ongoing campaign is continuously being done across areas covered by their franchises. He adds that the issue of unauthorized wire attachments became prevalent during the COVID-19 pandemic, where Filipinos shifted to digital connections. Meanwhile, Zaldariaga says Meralco is already expecting increase in electricity consumption as the summer season kicks off. He advises consumers to regularly maintain their air conditioning units, making sure that they function properly while also monitoring leaks. Zaldariaga also urges the public to practice energy efficiency measures.
Not only during the summer months but all throughout the year. Lalo na ngayon, meron tayong crisis sa gitnang silangan sa Middle East. No? Ang impact nito baka maramdaman natin siguro marahil towards the end of April and in the month of May.
According to Zaldariaga, amid the concerns of petroleum supply, the country's power supply remains sufficient. He also commends the shortened wall hours, saying that these practices may help with saving up on electricity consumption. On the temporary suspension of the Energy Regulatory Commission of the wholesale electricity spot market, Zaldariaga says Meralco has no comment on this yet. He emphasizes that the impact from the suspension of the bidding market may not be felt yet, as stakeholders and big players still have to meet on this matter. Mai?
Thank you, Che Sulit, reporting.